Blueshift is a portfolio-based decentralized exchange built on Mulcometer. It allows cross-chain interoperability between the multiple different chains that it's connected to. But for those users that aren't comfortable with decentralized exchanges or aren't connected to the various blockchains that it's currently connected with, you can interact with the Blues tokens, which is the ecosystem token of Blueshift, on MEXC Global. Here you can buy, sell, and trade the Blues tokens against the USDT pair, just as you would any other token on a centralized exchange. MEXC is a fantastic platform with excellent customer support. It will allow you to trade any of the various tokens that you may want to be participating in, including the Blues token. You can get your hands on Blueshift's Blues tokens via MEXC anytime you like. Simply sign up under our affiliate code down below and you'll be able to interact and participate with the Blueshift ecosystem via MEXC Global. And of course, if you want to find out more information about Blueshift in general, you can find us at blueshift.fi.